Good day, my dear friends. Today is January 19, 2026. Happy and blessed Monday to all of you. In today's Gospel from the account of Mark chapter 2 verses 18 to 22, Jesus gently but firmly invites us to move from a faith rooted in obligation to one alive with joy, reminding us that religious practices find their true meaning only in relationship with Him. The question about fasting exposes how easily devotion can become routine, where rules are followed yet hearts remain untouched. By calling Himself the bridegroom, Jesus reveals that God is not distant but present, not demanding rituals for their own sake, but desiring communion with His people. But friends, when the bridegroom is with us, joy becomes the natural response. And practices like fasting and sacrifice are no longer burdens but expression of love. The image of the new wine and the new wineskins challenge us, especially for me personally, if our hearts grow rigid, trapped by habit or fear of change, we risk missing the grace unfolding before us. Jesus does not reject tradition. He fulfills it by renewing it from within, calling us to allow the Spirit to stretch us, soften us, and makes us new. True and real holiness, then, is not measured by how strictly we observe rituals, but by how deeply we allow Christ to transform us so that our faith becomes not only a duty we endure, but a joyful encounter with the living God. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.